In this video, El Toro will show how to track order lines efficiently with UTM codes. UTM stands for Urchin Tracking Module, but what we really want to share is what UTM codes are used for and how to correctly implement them. What are UTMs? UTM codes are text strings added to the end of URLs that allow for tracking in Google Analytics. Through using UTM codes, you can analyze campaign post-click behavior and compare it to other campaigns in regards to performance and effectiveness. How to implement UTMs. If you have your own UTMs to add to your URLs, go ahead and copy and paste the URL plus the UTM in the landing page input field on the Creatives tab of your order line. If you want to use the UTM builder within the portal, just enter your URL and click the UTM button to the right of the landing page input field. The three recommended criteria to be filled for the UTM builder are campaign source, medium, and name. However, if medium is left blank in our portal, it will be auto-populated with banner or video within Google Analytics. To further explain the criteria filled for our UTM builder, source is where the traffic originates, such as El Toro, Twitter, or Facebook. Medium is how the traffic comes to you, such as IP targeting, email, or blog. Campaign is why the traffic came to you, such as promotions, politics, awareness. Term answers what keyword prompted the visit, if it were a keyword-oriented item. Content differentiates the traffic origination, such as organic, paid, or social traffic. Be sure to make use of the underscores instead of spaces. Spaces are not allowed in URLs. Because of this, landing pages will break if spaces are used. After the campaign is live, we can check the data in Google Analytics by looking under Acquisition, Campaigns, and All Campaigns. We're El Toro, the only one-to-one, 100% cookie-free IP targeting solution, and thanks for watching.